What is this Pokemon Ultimate Charizard Collection Premium? This is crazy. I've never actually seen one of these.
They're actually, it's like magnetic.
Dude, this is like magnetic.
I just said that.
Do you know what you're doing?
You
want to do it for us?
Yeah, I watched enough unboxings. Let a real game.
What is that? There's a mat in this?
Yeah, dude.
Whoa, look at this color.
And then see how these have all the packs in them? It's like you've never opened a premium.
I didn't know. So they give you like 4 packs in here. Okay, maybe there's more than 4. There's the promos. Jack, you want to rip a pack with us? We'll open the promos. What is that?
It's the gold coin I told you.
Whoa, these are
24
sick.
karat.
Dude, that is actually
Then
so
you get your
awesome.
custom V-Star.
Oh, should we put them in sleeves?
Are they like, cool?
They're not worth
Swag.
anything. According to TCG Player, they're worth about 5 cents.
No, they're not.
5 cents? Wait, is this the same card twice?
Did they give you 2 of the same card?
Are they supposed to do
You're
that?
supposed to get like 3 different cards.
Why did we get 2?
Damn, dude, we just get an
Wait, are you
box?
supposed to get 3 different cards?
Yeah.
Oh, we got duplicates.
Wow, they
Wait, we actually...
they didn't give us.
Yeah,
the
wow, we got the
VMAX
middle
full
one.
art.
All right, that's fine. This one's, dude, we literally got the same card twice. That's crazy.
Oh, shit. Yeah, you're supposed to get the VMAX, which is you're supposed to get this VMAX.
Is that like good or bad? I think this art looks cooler though. I'm not gonna lie.
Damn.
Wait, is that one not textured?
No, it is. Yeah, is it a misprint? Dude, that's crazy. We got the same card.
That's
Wow.
wild. Yeah, you're supposed to get that VMAX.
Huh.
But I
coin-
think that
this is-
card's the one that's worth more, if I remember.
This
correctly.
coin's pretty sweet. Wow, this is
Oh,
already
the
cool.
V-Star.
Here,
Yeah.
oops.
Probo Pass, it looks like Jack.
Whoa, dude, misprinted energy. Look at that.
Shoot.
Is that?
Lucha. Weasel.
This is. Tell me that's not a misprint energy. Look at that side lighting on it.
Trap Hinge.
We definitely have a misprint box.
Ah,
Glamio, Puccino, Arcanine.
No, that's right.
Is it really?
did you get nothing good?
Actually, I don't know, because
I'm
the
gonna try
red
and open
stuff.
this
Is
pack.
that what you're talking about?
Yeah, so
The red?
There's no way they. Why would? What pack is this? It's that pack.
Astral Radiant.
We'll look for another energy in that pack and see if it's also glitched. Is there something different about them?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. We have a hollow of something. Gardevoir.
We got a
That's pretty cool.
collectors or a
Dude, yeah, this one looks like it too. That must be what they look like.
Psyduck. Swablu, Sea Dog.
Gardevoir is pretty cool. Here we go. Anything good? Dude, I got scammed again.
Oh.
Trash. So we ended up with. We actually got. That's crazy though.
They screwed us.
So we got these 3. Can you see that? That'll be.
Wait,
our-
we gotta keep
our
this
flip
going
art.
for 10 more seconds.